Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Galaxy Station. Today is time for a very special unboxing. 11/11 was only 9 days ago and I have already started to receive my 11/11 orders from AliExpress. In this package there are 7 tech products. I will unbox them, show them and help you to buy this device from my affiliated link. Let's get started. At first I am unpacking the items. Okay, I am counting the number first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, there are 7 products in this package, so nothing is missing. Let's start one by one. First of all, let me see what it is. Yes, this is Baseus branded USB type C to type C 100 watt 5 ampere PD fast charging cable. Okay, unboxing should be very easy. Yes, this is it. This is Baseus type C to type C 5A cable, and I have included links to purchase all the products I am showing in this video in the video's description. Please don't forget to check. Okay, as usual, highest quality cable from Baseus. I don't think I need to say anything or praise Baseus for you. We are all aware of their qualities. Okay, so the first products is outstanding. As I am unboxing 7 products, this is going to be a fast moving video. Then the second product. Okay, this is a special product. This is JEYI brand M2 NVMe to PCIe Express expansion card. Those who are using desktop computers and out of M2 card slots, these are for those users like me. I am sure that you have a access PCIe Gen 4 slot on your computer, and this is the NVMe slot. You buy a NVMe card, then place it here, and this expansion card then go to your motherboard PCIe X1 slot. Here are all the necessary tools, brackets and screw for the installation, which is great. Okay, second unboxing is done. There is obviously big surprise. You can buy these products from the affiliated link and I will give you the best offers available on AliExpress. The third product, this is a Isagar 4-in-1 USB-C to USB-C fast charging data cord for iPhone with holder storage box. Okay, how to open it? This is a cable or converter storage box. Wow, from Isagar. If you travel a lot like me, then this product is for you. It has a built-in type C to type C cable. Then it has a built-in lightning to type C cable. So with the help of a type C cable, you can charge your iPhone. Then same for micro USB. With the help of type C, you can charge your micro USB cable. Then suppose you have a old USB charger. No problem. You can now use a old USB charger to charge your type C gadget by this adapter, and obviously there is a SIM ejector tool and one micro SIM holder and two nano SIM holder in this storage box. I hope if you are a frequent traveler like me, then you must going to buy this product, and the affiliated link with best deal of AliExpress is waiting for you in the video's description. So the third product is outstanding. Let's go to the fourth. This is a Isagar Bluetooth adapter which supports Bluetooth 5.1. So if you have a desktop computer and have lot of Bluetooth gadgets, headphone, Xbox controller in your house, then this product is for you. There are lots of documentation. Wow, the adapter itself is very tiny. Wow, look at this. And it has absolutely no weight whatsoever. Wow, nothing to show you. Unboxing done. Okay, time for the fifth product. This is another Type-C to Type-C 100-watt cable from the brand, I don't know how to pronounce it, Toki. I don't know. This is another emerging brand from China. This is a 100-watt cable with display. You can see how much watt your device is receiving via this cable. This should be outstanding and useful, and I am sure I will make a full video regarding this device. Don't forget to check out my video's description for this magnificent, wonderful Type-C to Type-C cable. Then I have another 3-in-1 cable from a new Chinese brand, Asomatic. I don't know, or Asomitech. Okay, this is a 3-in-1 cable. If you are a tech enthusiast like me and have iPhone, old Android, obviously new Android, then this charging cable is for you. It has a normal USB charging input and iPhone micro USB, Type-C USB output. I think this is also a necessary gadget for a frequent traveler like me. Why should you carry 3 cables when the tasks can be done by 1 cable, right? Okay, I will test this cable in a separate video. Until then, I am just putting it in the box. By the way, build quality of all the cables I am showing you is excellent. You can't expect any better from any company, not even Apple or Samsung. All are nylon braided cable I have showing you so far. Okay, this is a headlamp, the last product. Rechargeable headlamp with 5 individual light output. Wow, this is big. This is for the trackers. Unfortunately, build quality is not good. Micro USB charging, the head strap quality is not good. Charging port, power cable. Okay, this is the light. Okay, I will test the battery backup of this headlamp, then I will give my verdict to my viewers, because the build quality is very poor. Even though I have to admit the price of this headlamp is unbelievable. You can easily buy it for a few dollars. I am putting the link in the video description to check. So for me, the backup time of this rechargeable headlamp is the main point whether I will recommend you to buy it or not. The product description says it can give output for 10 hours. I have to admit, if this headlamp can provide me 5 hours of backup, that should be tremendous because I am a nature hike headlamp user and I know how much pricier nature hike is, so I can't compare nature hike's quality with products like this. This particular headlamp is only 15 or 20% of a nature hike headlamp's price, so I can't expect the same level of build quality or battery backup from this. Okay, I will check. Now, this is it. I have unboxed 7 products from AliExpress which I bought in 11/11 deal, and I have included links to purchase all the products in this video's description. Be sure to take a look. And just so you know, the links are affiliates links, so if you decided to buy through it, it helps support this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative tech related content. If you find this video helpful, share it with your friends. They might benefit from it too. Thank you.